Today, we will be learning how to activate dual screen on your Android smartphone, just like this one you see right here. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Activating dual screen is a great help if you want to multitask. Let's say you want to watch a YouTube video while scrolling on Facebook. Dual screen is the answer to that problem. That is why in this video, I will teach you how to activate dual screen on your Android smartphone. To activate dual screen, you just have to follow these easy steps. If you have it already enabled, just go to an app you want to use. Remember that not all the apps support dual screen. So let's go ahead and open an app. After opening an app, I want you to scroll down with three fingers. And as we can see, we now have the app only consuming half of the screen, and the other half is our home screen. To use dual screen, we just have to open another app. And we now have two applications on our screen at the same time. If you do not have this feature enabled, don't worry. All you have to do is go to your phone settings. What we want to do next is scroll down and look for shortcuts and accessibility. After going to shortcuts and accessibility, we will see the Smart Split option. Go ahead and tap that. Here we will see different split screen variations. Message screen split allows messages to be displayed along with an app that supports split screen. Manual screen split allows you to manually split the screen as long as the app supports it. And last but not the least is the Smart Suggestions for screen split apps, which recommends you an app to open along with another app. What we want to do next is to enable all of it if you still don't have it enabled. Once we have enabled every screen split options, let's go back to our home screen and I will teach you how to use the dual screen. First, we have to open an app and let us use the screen split gesture. The one I have is the three finger scroll down. After using the gesture, we will see app recommendations and our home screen. Let's open another app. And if you want the other app to be bigger than the other app, just drag these three dots. Now, as we can see, we now have the other app bigger than the other one. If you want to completely remove the split screen, just drag it all the way down. Now we have disabled the dual screen. And that is how we activate dual screen on our Android smartphone. Make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching.